sounds like the plan now is to go on a hike. But we're just gonna pass on the ball. And then we're gonna see what happens.
You need to get good.
There we go.
We're descending.
We're walking all the way down. Courtney popped out over there. Addie's here still.
They're giggling back there. We're gonna go mog a waterfall, guys.
We're gonna mog a waterfall.
We're gonna mog the falls.
Mog the falls. Yeah, we're going to a huge waterfall.
You guys
like
it's pretty cool.
a mile hike.
This walk up's gonna be not fun, but we didn't do legs today, so
Yeah,
we're good.
we'll be good.
We'll be good.
All right, we're getting closer. There's water now.
Yeah, it's all foamy, so you know what that means. Disruption potassium. That's what it looks like when I pee.
Yeah, they also used to say it was fish poop.
Fish pee?
Is it healthy?
That's
think-
what they said.
I think it's just air.
Is this your way, Jack?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Yeah, I would have loved that.
It's quick.
I wonder if there's any salmon in there. More of them. Oh yeah, they're getting geared down there. Geared? Cross with us?
Yeah.
You want to walk across?
Across the water?
I mean, I kind of want to take my shoes off, and if you don't, you want to watch the stuff, that'd be fine with me. It's gonna be.
Walk all the way across?
I just want to go walk and get my feet wet. The beginning shit is cold as. Let's go, sir.
I bet he's gonna make it right there and then turn around. right there, and then he's turning around.
Die for each other. We're cool for the sunlight.
Oh my god. How did he get it? He got it. He started from all the way over there. It went.
You made it to the other side. Look at him.
That's impressive. This is the. Look at that. That's cool. He crossed all this. That's dope. How do you feel, Tabor?
Feel good. Where are my shoes? My feet hurt. I gotta throw my shoes up here.
You want to throw Tabor's shoes? Yeah. Try an underhand. Courtney got it.
That'll work.
There you go.
Nature is not out to hurt you guys. Nature wants to be your friend.
That was actually low-key super impressive, dude.
What do you mean?
To get across that. Well, on video, I like called you on my eye. He's not going halfway. You crossed that shit.
The biggest challenge was was how slippery the rocks were, bro.
Yeah.
The rocks were so slippery that like if you take a wrong step and like don't feel it out, like 'cause sometimes you're here and then it's like down here on some of the rocks, so you just got to be careful.
Yeah. You would have slipped, bro. You would have had to go through all that. Can you guys tell that me and Tabor have a type? They got the same shirt, same bag,
White shoes.
Black hair with a black bang, white hair with a white bang.
They didn't even plan that shit out. They just kind of. This is so trippy.
Well, we made it.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Take it in. Take it. Oh, what the hell?
I can keep a secret, can you?
We're on the US end. Yeah. Feels good, man.
No decent now. Hey, hold up.
Have we even made it to the bench yet?
No.
No.
What's the time?
Yeah. I'm not even remembering.
What's the tiebreaker?
All right. So apparently, I got a soccer ball, and I didn't know what the difference was.
That's your guys' ball. Good. Right. We should just play moon ball.
What's
moon that?
ball?
We gotta try to hit the moon. It's pretty fun. I've never hit it.
But I got close.
See how I put spin on it?
All right, I'm moving you guys for different POV angles. Check it out.
This thing's still recording. Davis is a bitch. I'm just kidding, I love him. I gotta go grab my shoes now.
What are they building there?
They're redoing the deck.
There's a lot of goose shit.
Ooh, it's chilly.
Dude, it's chilly out here. That was cold.
You know what we gotta do? Booster days.
I'm totally down for booster days, but did you tell him about the fireworks that we can watch at Davis-Vizz?
He lives in the
We-
which house?
We know a guy that has a house over there.
See the one, like that White House?
Yeah.
Go to the left of it. You see the windows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Dude.
his house.
Should we
That's
play
a big
the,
house.
You
And
want to
they're
play the
redoing it.
Nemo
There's a
game?
bowling alley in
I
the
bet
bottom.
you can't go farther than me.
Oh yeah? Hold this.
Saber? Was this how cold the willow was?
No.
This is colder.
Mm-hmm. Saber, pull your shorts up.
Yep.
You won. You won.
Oh, why you gotta be so heartless? I know you think it's heartless. Me a party. Alright, we decided to go to a candy store. So we're going to Candyland now.
It would.
Hello, Candyland.
It's you. Jack after his cheat meal.
All happy and shit. That popcorn smells good. Thank you.
Dude.
Yes, encouragement.
Whoa. Sunday purple.
Gooming, gooming.